currently joining me on my way to meet a couple of the Hyundai people from the group at Cabela's, I think. I don't know. I thought it was a Bass Pro Shop, but apparently it's a Cabela's. But when I typed it into the GPS and I said Bass Pro Shop, it took me to the right address. So we'll see what's happening over there. After that, we're heading down to Colorado Springs and then the Slush Motor Fest, which is going to be awesome. I will be participating in the car show aspect of it, and I'll hopefully see some cool cars there. I know there's going to be at least one awesome YouTuber there. His name is DailyDrivenExotics. I'm sure you've heard of him. But other than that, I'll catch you guys there. I'm not sure what kind of stops we're going to be making on the way or anything like that, so there might be some clips here and there, but I'll see you around. Well guys, it looks like I made it here first, and it is a Cabela's. I definitely thought it was a Bass Pro Shop. I don't know why it comes up as a Bass Pro Shop when I search for it on Google Maps, but we're here. We're waiting for the other folks to meet up, and then we can start cruising together down to Colorado Springs. Oh yeah, as you can tell, I am in need of a car wash. You can't, yeah, it's not too bad, but you can definitely see some spots of dirt and dust and stuff, and especially on the side after these couple of past nights, there's been storms everywhere. So unfortunately, some of that has transferred to the vehicle, as you can see. So I'll be trying to clean that up. I think we're going to a car wash in the Springs. Hopefully we are. If not, I'll just go by myself and be sad, but we'll see. Awesome. It looks like Tyler was able to join us, along with another friend with a white Elantra N, but I'm not sure I know who they are, but I've yet to meet them, so I'll meet them in a second.
That is against my contract. I'm going home.
Damn, looking good. I gotta stop doing that fake accent. I don't think I can say the word damn without that fake accent anymore, actually, now that I think about it. I don't know if we're waiting for anybody else, but there's like 7 of us here. 6? All right, we're heading out. I think we're supposed to meet one more person from the group, but we're just meeting them at the car show itself. Apparently they're on the other side of town, so they don't, you know, need to drive all the way here and then all the way back and stuff. So we're just gonna head out. I showed you guys clips of how I washed my car. Well, guess what? It got sprinkled on right after I parked. So we're just gonna get some detailing spray from the trunk and wipe it down, try to get rid of some of that, you know, what do you call that? The streaks from the sprinkler? I don't know. Gotta be careful, the fines are doubling. We're going pretty slow, so that's good. I should probably get over, but I just want to get this cool shot of us driving. Most of the people are behind me, unfortunately, so I can't really get great clips. I've been trying to go slow and to get them to pass me, but they're not passing me, so I guess we're just getting Tyler for today. Yeah, there we go. Anybody else want to pass us? No? Man, okay. Well, I guess we're on a dirt road, question mark? I think this is only for people that are participating in the show, and then general attendance is somewhere else, although I'm not super certain, because I didn't see another way in, so I might be totally wrong, honestly. We'll see. I see the raceway to my left. You could kind of see something over there. I've never been here before, so we'll see. All right, we've made it out here. It is extremely busy. Extremely busy. Oh, there's a Veloster right there. We also saw another Elantra N coming in. What's up? There we are. Where's Tyler at? I have no idea. Oh, there he goes. Next to the Dodge. Looking good. Just noticed this is a modified decals tent, so you know I have to get some shit here. I ended up getting one of the skateboards. Where is it? There it is. still just going. He's still going. Did he hit?
They also made the exotic, I forgot what it's called, N DCT on the side.
This Lambo is crazy.
Oh, okay. I was like, what the hell was that? Look at the dog.
QR code, and you can put in your vote for your fan favorite. Again, if you're looking to add in your fan favorite for the car show. They out there cutting up, man. They out there cutting up. That a race?
So for essentially, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? From my back to the roof, you doing
They've been drifting around here so much. There's like little pieces of tire on all our cars. Fucking way they got cock. Oh wait, that's Coco. My God. Alright guys, we're heading out. We've been here for 5-ish hours. I've kind of done all of of the motorsports I can handle for now. I'm hot. I have not eaten today. It's 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m. I just need to get like to a Cane's or something, eat some food, and then head home. That was really cool, dude. I'm sad it's only once a year. I wish it would happen more often, but each time I do one of these events, it really inspires me to go to an actual track day and learn how to drive and stuff. So I'll hopefully be doing that. Oh, what's up? What the fuck? You just pointed left? Okay. Well, not sure what that guy was doing. But anyways, like I was saying, it inspires me to like kind of take this car to the track and learn how to really drive it on the track and everything. I tell my friends I'm kind of scared of embarrassing myself, you know, going like the first time on a track and everything, but they're very supportive, so very encouraging. Thank you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you at a track event soon. Other than that, up next we've got Cane's, baby. We got Cane's on the GPS. Need to get some food and then heading back to Denver. All right, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed some of the clips I got from the show. There are some cool events like drifting, racing, all that stuff. I tried to get a good amount of different types of clips. You know, most of them are going to end up being very similar, you know, tire smoke, fast car. But I hope you enjoyed it overall. Not sure what the next video is going to be. Probably just next weekend, going to some car shows. Or maybe this weekend still. We'll see what I have planned. Other than that, thanks so much again. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.